today recipe. This is butter pecan cake, like this. Not from cake box. This is from the scratch. Easy, buttery, tasty. So, if you want to know how to make this, just follow me. We can go to the kitchen now and I will teach you, because this is super easy. Unlike people think about, this is not from cake box, but really yummy and moist and soft too. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. I will teach you. Pecan, we will chop the pecan. The recipe will be in the link in the description box below. Okay. See ya. Fine or not, it's up to you, okay? Some people like fine chop nuts, but some people like a little bit bigger. Okay, this is done. Now, next step. When butter melts, we add brown sugar. Brown sugar. Let it melt, but not caramelize. Okay? Not caramelize, just melt. Add light corn syrup. Stir. Add half of chopped pecan. Half or 1/3, no problem. Okay, now this is ready. We will pour this mixture into the pan or bun pan. Spray or brush your bun pan, so it won't stick on the pan. This cake is sticky, so you have to really spray or brush very carefully your bun pan. If not, it will stick. We pour the mixture. We made that sugar butter. Now we make the cake batter. Beat butter until really white and fluffy. Now add sugar. Beat again. Preheat the oven 325 Fahrenheit, and then you add the eggs one by one into the butter sugar mixture. Every time mix well. Vanilla, sour cream, flour. Pecan, cake batter done. Now we pour into the pan. Oops. The batter is really thick. Now we bake this at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, depends your oven. Cake is done. Now, before you flip, wait for 10 minutes before you flip the cake onto the rack and let it cool. The cake is done. See? Beautiful, moist, and smells so good. So far, this cake is our family favorite. It's really yummy. It's kind of caramel on top with a lot of pecan. You won't regret to make this. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you again in the next recipe. Bye bye.